Hello everyone in cyber world. It's time for another project, so let's get into it. For today's project, we're going to refurbish and make some minor changes to a TV tray stand to make it more practical. TV tray stands are built in a manner that require you to place trays on both sides of the stand, and therefore you can only store the trays and stand in a location that's accessible on both sides. My plan is to rebuild the stand in a manner that allows you to store all TV trays on one side of the stand. In order to do this, I need to make a stronger, larger brace and base for the stand. Mrs. Poorman has decided she doesn't want black any longer, so this requires a lot of a hot gun and sanding to get this back down to the wood surface. After a ton of sanding, I assembled the stand and applied 3 coats of polyurethane. After applying the final layer of polyurethane, I used a 1500 grit sandpaper to smooth out the surface and let the whole stand dry for a few days until the polyurethane was cured. The larger brace and base to the stand allows you to store all the TV trays on one side of the stand without tipping over. Now the stand and trays can be stored up against other furniture or even a wall and take up much less space than before. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this project. We'll see you again soon.